Hi guys, today is day 5 of our 12 days of Christmas nails, and I have this cute little mittens design for you today. So let's get started with this one. It is very quick and easy. I did put down a peel off base coat even though we are using gel polish. I didn't want to have to soak these off. So I did use a peel-off base. It's not a gel peel-off base, so they did come off like the very next day, which was fine. I was okay with that. But obviously, if you're using gel, I mean, you want them to stay on for 2 to 3 weeks. So you are going to do your proper prep, which would be to, buff the nail, remove the shine, remove any contaminants with alcohol. Maybe I'll do a tutorial of a full proper gel application. So we did start with Bonbon of Bioseaweed gel, and then I didn't show it, but the glitter polish is also a Bioseaweed gel. It's Rose Quartz. I did need 3 coats of the Bonbon because it was a very thin polish. It was quite annoying. It wasn't very opaque, but I do love the color, so I stuck with it. I'm just showing here me taking the gel out before I cure. You definitely do not want to cure any gel in your cuticles. That will cause lifting, and it could cause contact dermatitis. Now we're coming in with a little waterfall glitter design on the pinky, and then we are also going to do the same thing on the index finger. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, guys. There is going to be a lot more to come. Also, if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section, and I will do my best to answer them. So I didn't show me painting the glitter mitten on the middle finger, but what I was doing was I put a matte top coat over that because I wanted to do a contrast of shiny and matte. I decided to do this halfway through, which is why it seems like it might be a little bit out of order. And then I did put a glossy top coat over the other 3 fingers. So now we're coming in with Akzents Gel Play White, and we're going to paint in the mitten on the other finger. I did have to do the white first because Bonbon just wasn't opaque enough to come directly in with the nail art, so I just did the white base to save me time on that. So then I did do the glossy top coat just on the mitten, the glitter mittens, and then remember there was a matte top coat on the base, so it's going to show like a kind of a contrast. And then now we're coming in with Bonbon on the other mitten. Then I came in with the matte top coat, and I just painted that over top of the pink mitten in order to give that contrast of the glossy, really shiny glitter underneath, and then the matte mitten over top. And then now using the Akzents Gel Play White again, we're just going to draw in our little string, and then we are also going to outline the mitten with the white, which I did not show the whole part of that because it was just pretty awkward with the angle I was at. And then now we're doing the cuff of the mitten. This is using a finger paints gel polish that cures right to a shiny finish. Therefore, I was able to come right in with glitter to kind of give it a raw glitter feel to it at the end. So I hope you like this one, guys. It was a pretty quick one. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.